Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is question number 6 of May-June session 2020. The table shows some values for y equals to x cube over 4 minus x plus 1. The table is given to you as you can see. Complete the table. So first of all, we're going to take our calculator. We've been blessed with it. We'll be finding the value when x equals to 3. So what we'll be doing is y equals to 3 cube divided by 4 minus 3 plus 1. Just use your calculator, put in the values correctly and find the answer 4.75. Okay, draw the graph of y equals to the equation for minus 3 to 3. So the values are given to me. I'm just going to quickly plot them. So you can see how I'm doing it. The first point is minus 3 and minus 2.75. So I have to go down. Minus 3 is over here. Minus 2.75 is here. This is my first point. The second point is minus 2, 1, which is here. Third point is minus 1, 1.75, which is over here. 0, 1, easy, this is here. 1 and 0.25. Be very precise with your decimals. 2, 1 goes up and 3, 4.75 comes over here. Now this is my graph. So I'm pretty sure that you would figure out that my graph would look something like this, right? Now I'm going to join it nicely and smoothly. So join it nice and smooth, nice curves like this. I'm sure you guys would envy my graph right now. Perfect. Okay, so label your graph y equals to x cube over 4 minus x plus 1. The next part says, on the same grid, draw the graph of y equals to 1 over 3x plus 1. Now you need to be very smart over here. But even if if you think you cannot do it like that, then there's one more option. What you can do is you can just make a table, take some values of x and y and plot it. Otherwise, if you think that you can be smart and you can follow up what I'm doing over here, so just check. My first point would be, just see here, it says 1 over 3x plus 1. So the first point I would be having is 1 because there's a plus 1 over here. So this is my first point, which is my y-intercept. Second point, it says 1 over 3. 1 over 3 means 1 in the rise and 3 in the run. So 1 in the rise, 3 in the run. I'm perfect at it, so I'm doing it like this. Otherwise, if you think you need some more practice, then clearly write it down. What is your rise? What is your run? There's no harm in writing it down for your own use. Okay, 3 points are there. I'm going to join them in a straight line like this. Okay, all right. So this is y equals to 1 over 3x plus 1. The maximum number of points you need to make a line are 3. So your work is done over here. Use your graph to find all the values of x where this crosses. Crosses means point of intersection. Go up and check your point of intersection. So your point of intersections are over here. First point of intersection is over here. Like you can see, I'm pointing it out. So I'm going to make a straight line. All right. This is my first point of intersection. Second point of intersection is over here at 1. Third point of intersection is over here. So I'm just going to approximate it like this. Let's write it down. Now the question is asking for just the value of x. See over here. Do not waste your time in finding the value of y. It's useless. So the first value is minus 2.3. The second value is a 0 on 1 and the third value is 2.3. Your values can vary as per your graph, so do not be worried about it. Don't panic. The values of x where y equals to 1 over 3x plus 1 crosses this are the solutions of the equation for ax cube equals to bx. So interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is whenever the question is asking you for solutions, it means that they're asking you to solve the simultaneous equations. So I'm going to write them together like simultaneous equations like this. X cubed divided by 4 minus x plus 1. Now be smart. 1 and 1 can cancel out. So if I'm canceling them out, I'm left with 1x divided by 3 equals to x cubed divided by 4 minus 1. Let's take this minus x on the other side like this. So 1x over 3 plus 1x equals to x cubed divided by 4. 1 over 3 and a 1 will give me 4 over 3x equals to x cubed divided by 4. If you ever think that you're confused with this, what you can directly do is take your calculator. Write 1 over 3 plus 1 and you would automatically get 4 over 3. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let's cross multiply over here. This would become 16x equals to 3x cube. The question says that a is with x cube. So I'm going to write a as 3 and b as 16. Okay, the next question. Here are four equations. This. The graphs of three of these equations are sketched below. So we have to write down the correct equation with the correct graph. First graph is the easiest graph. You would have done this plenty of times. This is the graph that I'm talking about. In this graph, what happens is that it looks like this. So here the equation is y equals to x square. It passes from your origin and it is very symmetrical to the y-axis. So here I'm pretty sure this is my graph. This is the equation of the first graph because it does not have an x value. It does not have it does not have c, which is the y-intercept. So this is the first graph, which is y equals to 2x squared. The second graph. The second graph looks similar to this one. Now check your equations. Where is a 2x square? A 2x square is also over here. Now let me just check it again. I have a minus 2 over here. Do I have a minus 2 over here? Yes, I do. This is the minus 2, which is the y-intercept over here. So the second graph is y equals to 2x square minus 2. Let's look at the third one. Now, the third one is a little tricky, you can say. I'm left with two equations, this one and this one. I need to figure these out because both have x square in it. Okay, let's simplify these equations. Let's find the x-intercept. Now what I'm doing here is I'm finding this, the first x-intercept is 0 and the second x-intercept is unknown to me. I'm going to find it out, but I know that it is a positive one. So look at my equation. If I put 0 in place of y so that I can get the x-intercept, and if I take common over here, this would be like this, which means x is equals to 0 and x is equals to a positive 2. Here you go, boom. Even though if you think that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust your working, and you still need to make sure whether this is your answer or not, no problem in this. Let's solve this as well. So 0x squared plus 2x, 0 equals to x plus 2, x equals to 0, x equals to negative 2. Oops, this is not the answer. So this is my equation, which is y equals to x squared minus 2x. And I'm done over here. Okay, I hope this is clear a little bit. If not, then please let me know and I'm here to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.